Welcome back to Home Decor 101, your YouTube home decor channel. Welcome back to Home Decor 101, where we break down all the things home styling. Today's video is for those who love clean lines, simplicity, and a fresh aesthetic. That's right, we're diving into modern home decor for beginners. So if you're new to this style and not really sure where to start, don't worry. I'm gonna guide you through what makes a home modern, where to find decor, and how to bring it all together. So let's start with what is modern home decor. Modern decor is rooted in simplicity, functionality, and elegance. It focuses on clean lines, open spaces, and a very much clutter-free environment. Originating from the early 20th century, this style emphasizes form and function with just a touch of minimalism. Now, some of the key characteristics that you will see are clean, straight lines, and even some geometric shapes. Neutral color palettes with occasional really bold accents. Natural materials like wood, metal, and glass. Open spaces and minimal clutter. And there is a strong focus on functionality without sacrificing style. So here is how to get started. Number 1, start by decluttering. Modern decor thrives on open, clean spaces. So remove unnecessary items and focus only on the essentials. Number 2, choose functional furniture. Opt for furniture with clean lines and a really practical design. Look for sofas with sleek arms, simple coffee tables, and modular storage solutions. Number 3, incorporate natural materials. Introduce elements like wooden furniture, metal accents, or glass decor. These materials bring a sense of balance and elegance to your space. Number 4, embrace negative space. Don't feel the need to fill every corner or wall. Modern design celebrates empty spaces as part of the aesthetic of your room. So now let's talk about where to find some modern decor. Of course, there are furniture stores, retailers like IKEA, West Elm, CB2, and of course Amazon specialize in modern furniture and decor. But you may not have the ability to go directly to the store, and if that's the case, check out online marketplaces like Wayfair, Overstock, and of course Amazon, again, for a wide range of modern options. If buying brand new isn't your thing, either you don't want to pay the money for it or you want to live a more sustainable life, check out some of the thrift and consignment shops in your area. You might find vintage modern pieces like mid-century chairs or minimalist tables at secondhand stores, usually for a really good price. Also check out Facebook Marketplace if you have a Facebook account. It is free for you to browse on there. You can find some really cool stuff there. Okay, so let's take a look at some modern color palettes, or color palettes that you are most likely to see with this modern home decor style. The first one would obviously be neutral tones, so stick to whites, grays, and beiges as your base color. I don't know about you, but normally the color palette I think of is a white neutral base with lots of black accents. That's super common when it comes to modern home decor. You'll also see some bold accents. You can add pops of color through decor items like pillows or rugs or canvas artwork. So think navy blue, mustard yellow, or emerald green, and those are some of the most common colors that you will see. However, anything can be an accent color, whatever your heart desires. There are also going to be a lot of monochromatic looks, and you can really create a sleek aesthetic by using different shades of the same color. You see this most commonly with gray and black. So for example, you can pair a charcoal gray with lighter gray tones, maybe on your wall, a dark charcoal gray sofa, ottomans around the same color, and it gives you a lot of texture and variety, but technically you're just using the color gray. So I want to end with this. Modern decor doesn't have to be intimidating at all. Start small by incorporating a few key pieces here and there, and work your way up as you get more comfortable with the style and decide that you actually care for the style. Remember, less is more, and functionality is key. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Home Decor 101 for more tips, and drop a comment below sharing your favorite modern decor ideas. Until next time, remember to keep a spirit of gratitude is the most important thing that you can have in your home. Happy decorating!